Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today we are going to make bee themed DIYs, which is one of my favorites. And let's start with DIY number 1. For this DIY, I got this wire bee form, and I'm just taking the tag off. And I also got this bee skirt during I think Halloween time, where you have like bee costume in the costume section. And I'm just going to cut off the black and yellow part together, and I'm going to create like a long ribbons, and those ribbons I'm going to basically circulate it around all this wire form, and you're going to see what I'm going to do. So I just got this one little line of a black layer and a lot of yellow layer, and I'm just taking a dab of a hot glue in one corner, and I attach that, and now I'm circulating around the wire just to cover the wire and give like a nice bee look to it. Now when I go to this double layered one, it just gives like a nice black and white stripes, which I like it. And also I just went all over the wings and also the face part and also the tentacles. So now this is how it looks after it is all done. Now I also got this beautiful cotton fabric which has bee all over it, and I'm just taking like a generous amount of hot glue all around my ribbon surface, and I'm going to stick it on top of this fabric just like so. And I'm going to cut off excess with a scissor just like that. And this is how it looks after it's all trimmed. Now the bee is so beautiful already. Now I'm going to take this tulle part of the skirt, and I'm going to cover for the wings just to give like the wing effect there. And it turned out really good. I'm so happy. Now I got like 2 of these yellow flowers, and one of the yellow flowers, sorry, and 2 of the greenery peas, and I stuck on either side just below the head. Now I got this black and white checkered mesh ribbon, and I wanted to give like nice ribbon curls to it either side of the wing. So I'm just taking like 2 inches of them, and using the roller cutter I'm just cutting down the pieces. Now I'm going to bring 3 to 4 pieces together just like that, and I'm going to pinch it in the center, and I'm going to wrap it around with this jute twine. And after I got like enough fluff, I'm going to stick it on either side of the wing just like that. So now what I'm doing is I'm just bending it just like that, and I'm going to attach it with the hot glue on either side. And this is something that I came up with. I wanted like the bee should be having a little more decor to it, so I just tried different things. So it worked out though. I'm just so happy how this whole beautiful queen bee turned out, and this is going to be my center of attraction for all the DIYs today, and I'm very happy with the end result, and I hope you would like it as well. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. This video would be part of Unbreathable DIY challenge, and this is hosted by CJ over CJ DIY and Christine over DIY Craftaholic and Jackie over Crafting in Mimi's World. So I'm going to leave the links of this creative ladies YouTube channels in the description box, as well as the huge playlist of all the other creators. It'll be a lot of fun and a lot of creative ideas on bees, and please watch everyone's videos and give lots of love. So let's move on to DIY number 2. For this DIY, I'm going to use one of this mason jar calendar, and I'm going to basically use the back part of it. Front I have planned for something else, so you're going to see in future. So I'm going to paint the back part with this white chalk paint, And I'm not going to remove that holder of the numbers of the calendar because that's going to give me like a support to stand on its own. And after the paint dried, this is how it looks. I gave like 2 coats and let it dry. And this is one of the parchment paper rub-on stickers. Now I just took one of bee design on it, and I'm just just transferring the sticker on top of this painted surface. Look how this turned out. It's so gorgeous. And I also have this bow created from one of this bee themed ribbon, and I stuck greenery on either side to finish the look. And this is one of the cute mason jar farmhouse style decor and DIY. I'm so happy how this turned out. I hope you would also like it. I would love to hear your thoughts on this as well. Let's move on to DIY number 3, and this is the DIY I made it last year. I'm going to repurpose it for this DIY here. I'm going to link it on the top screen if you want to see how I made this. And I just stuck those wooden bees on top of the picture, and I'm just taking one of this crate, and I'm going to stick this sign on top of it. And I want to decorate the crate with this pieces that I got from the skirt. And I just took like yellow and black and I layered it, and then I also created a bow from one of the same black ribbon, and I'm just stuffing all those plastic bags to give like a nice depth to it. Now I just kept this gnome on top so it doesn't fall off. Now after I just got like enough depth of these plastic bags, I'm going to place some of the Spanish moss, and also I'm going to place all the greeneries and flower. Basically I'm creating a garden where all these flowers are ready for the bees to get pollinated and create honey. So that's the plan over here. And I also stuck one cute yellow rose in the center of the black bow to give like a beautiful decor there. And this is how it looks after all the flowers and greenery are all placed in the beautiful great garden. And this is the final reveal of this beautiful DIY. Look how cute this turned out. I'm so happy with the end result, you guys. This crate was used for a previous decor, and I just repurposed this also, and I gave a new look to it both together, make a new DIY. I'm so happy with the end result, you guys. I hope you would also like it. Please let me know your thoughts on this. Let's move on to DIY number 4. For this DIY, I'm also going to repurpose one of this DIY that I used last year. This is such a cute bee, and I just decorated with the yellow ribbon on the borders, and I also created one bow with a flower. Now I'm going to cover the center part of the design because it kind of got faded. So I'm going to use this wooden sign which is saying be kind, and I'm also going to cover the borders with this beautiful black ribbon which has got like bee tools on it. When the bee flies, it makes their circles. That's what it has on it. So it just was so perfect and apt, so I thought I should give as a border. And this cute bee is smiling and happy, and this is another DIY. So I'm very happy with it. So I'm also going to link in the corner if you want to see how I made this. in the previous videos. So please let me know your thoughts on this as well. Let's move on to DIY number 5. This is a quick hack, guys, like I always do hacks in the last. And this is such a cute bee gnome, and I couldn't come home without bringing him along. And this is already pre-decorated. I don't have to do much. I just created a bow from this bee printed ribbon, and I created a simple bow, and I'm going to use dab of a hot glue, and I'm going to attach it on top of his hat just like so. And I also attached one foam ball in the center to finish the look, and this is how he looks after all decorated. I just put him on the pedestal. Look at him, how cute he is. He's holding one of the flower in one hand, and also he's holding like a honey pot in other hand. He's got cute wings on either side, so I just don't want to disturb the decoration, so I just added one cute bow on the top to add more glamour to him. And this is another cute gnome that I'm very much happy with, so I hope you would also like it. Everyone likes gnomes, right? So we finally came to the end of this video, and this is the final reveal of all the DIYs today, and this is one of the DIY that I made last year, and I'm also going to link if you want to see how I made this. So this is another DIY with a crate of flowers, and it says let it be, and that cute bee is also smiling and enjoying her day. And bee DIYs are some of my favorite DIYs, you guys, and because bees are very important to the environment. Without pollination cannot happen, we cannot get fruits, and not to forget the sweet honey. So enough of me talking. I'm going to let you enjoy the final reveal, and I appreciate each and every one of you for the beautiful, warm and kind comments that you've been leaving, and thank you so much for the support giving towards my channel, and I'm very grateful, you guys. Thank you. And if you like some of these ideas and you would like to join the family, I'd be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. And please don't forget to hit on the bell icon to get updated when I upload videos like this. Until next time, if you'd like to see some of my videos, I'm going to link in the right corner of the screen. And like I always say, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.